2022 Ford Explorer. With less than 34,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.